Another weekend arrives and camping and fishing become the order of the day. Friends have joined in, and together, the task at hand is to conquer two different locations, the river and the rocks. In the heart of the day, with an hour to spare, the river is the first stop. We have just 1 hour to try our luck here. In just 20 minutes, I managed to catch a beautiful flathead. But after that, nothing else. So, without wasting any time, we headed towards the ocean for some rock fishing. I must admit, I feel a bit stressed about fishing off these rocks. We're standing about 25, 30 meters above sea level, and any mistakes could turn our weekend into a disaster. We also need to be wary of the big waves and the numerous rocks underwater, which could make it challenging to reel in the fish. As always, I like to use my drone to navigate through the strong waves, giving us a better chance of not losing our hooks and bait among the underwater rocks. Today, we're using small hooks with stronger fishing lines. The reason is simple. If we catch a big fish, we want to give them a chance to deform the hook and swim free without leaving any hooks in their mouth. This way, we won't injure or kill any unwanted fish, like stingrays or sharks. And who's at the helm of this important task? A friend, skilled and qualified for drone landing. My first try was unsuccessful, with my hook getting stuck. The same thing happened on my second attempt. On the third try, I hooked a fish, but it got stuck as well. I hoped the fish would swim away from the rocks and free the hook. Finally, I managed to get the fish up. And yes, it works. A fish is out, measuring about 42 centimeters. Not too bad, right?
It's a big one, indeed.
A huge fish is on. The plan? Engage in an epic battle until the hook deforms and comes off. After 15 minutes of intense fighting, victory! The hook comes off and the fish is free, unharmed and without any major injury. I hooked another fish, and this one is a good size. The waves are getting bigger, so we'll have to leave soon. In our last attempt, my mate caught a good-sized fish. You can see how happy I am. So there you have it, a day of fishing filled with adventure, challenges, and the joy of success.